My name's Kathy Kolb. I'm president of Kolb Networks, a web development company in Pennsylvania. And this is a video podcast about business and internet stuff. Today's topic is search engine optimization, sometimes abbreviated SEO, search engine optimization. How do you get your website pages to rank high on a search engine results page? So if somebody types in your town name and homes or real estate, how do you get a page 1, position 1 ranking? Number of steps involved. First, you need to identify what keywords you want to target. Obviously, the lower number of those keyword phrases you want to target, the simpler it is to do it, or the more achievable those results are. The more unique the words are, the phrase is. The more unique the phrase is to your benefit. I had a client that wanted to rank highly in the phrase for furniture. Well, furniture is a really broad phrase, and that would be very difficult to rank high in. There's thousands of furniture manufacturers, furniture retailers, furniture remodelers, furniture auctions, furniture everything. So that's a very broad word. So you want a fairly narrow word or keyword phrases, and you want a couple of them. You can base them on geography. That's a very good separator. So that's your first step, is identifying what keyword phrases you need to rank well in. That's the first step. And then you go and you actually type them into Google or whatever search engine you want to do well on and see what comes up. That will give you an idea of how tough that job is going to be. If you get 20 million results for your keyword phrase, it's going to be tough. So you identify your keyword phrases, you check out the competition, and then you go to work on your site. As a person that's a president of a web development firm, again, this is a labor-intensive task. It's simply taking a person, at a computer station, giving them your keywords, giving them software and guidance and some programs that will help with us, but simply doing research and then modifying your pages. We modify the page title, the page meta tags, the description, photo captions, headlines. How many times does your keyword phrase actually appear in your text is very important. So say your word is, again, real estate. That's your phrase, real estate. And you have 300 words on your page. And you use the term real estate 3 times. That's only a keyword relevancy of 1%. 3 times in 300 words, it's 1%. You really want to get that keyword relevancy up towards 5% if possible. And you can also capitalize on misspellings of words too, which is a good way to go. Just to get some of the stuff around the edges, to harvest some of that. So good copy with high keyword relevancy. Again, if you don't identify first step what your keyword phrases that you're targeting are, you can't figure out your keyword relevancy, right? So that's why it has to start with identification. If you've had your website online for a while, there would be review and identification. So you want to review your keyword phrases. Are they still what your business is about? Are they still where you think an opportunity to make money is? And then go and look at your competition and rework your pages. Again, the titles and descriptions and the meta tags and the captions, and we even name the photos with the keyword tags. And the big thing though is copy. It's got to be good copy. It's got to be text copy with your identified keyword phrases in it. So that's big. You go see what your competition is doing. How many titles are they? Did they have it in? And what's their keyword relevancy? We have software that can analyze those pages and simplify it a little bit, but it's mostly staff time to sit down and do the research and do the analyzing and then do the modifications, and then you wait a couple of weeks. So we register our websites with Google Webmaster Tools, which helps us see when Google indexes the site and how many pages they've indexed. We also use Google Analytics to help us understand the keywords and the traffic and the flow through the site. So we have a pretty good understanding of what's actually happening on your site, and even from Google's perspective too. So that's basically search engine optimization. Yeah, we link to your site from external places. We can also place feature articles on external sites that link to your website. We can control keyword phrase linking and things like that. We can find other links for you. That's not as popular now as it had been at one time. So I hope that helps. That's organic search engine optimization, or non-paid, in that you're not paying Google for advertising. You're just looking for straight search results, the search results that end up on the left column after a search. So that's what we do for search engine optimization. We have gotten our clients, several of our clients, page 1, position 1 on their search term key phrases for years. And I can tell you that page 1, position 1 is a money spot. If you have that, and if you have, the rest of your website is correct, that's the way to make money on the internet. There's no two ways about it. Yes, every site should have almost every site should have an email newsletter. Now, this is early 2009, I'm recording this. We also look at Facebook presence, and some other things. So, of course, video, audio podcasts, things like that, to keep people reminded about your website. So I hope you found this helpful. Some of the tasks that are done with search engine optimization. Thanks, and more information can be found at our website at kolbnetworks.com, KOLB networks.com. Thanks.